Hi guys! Welcome to Bestfriend'S Kitchen! If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so you will get updated for our future videos. Today, we're going to show you how to make homemade Puto Seko. So here are the ingredients for this recipe. Tara, simulan na natin! Sa isang sifter, i-combine lang natin yung flour, cornstarch, powdered milk, sugar, baking powder at ang salt. Pagkatapos, i-sift lang natin ito. After that, i-mix lang natin ito hanggang sa maging well combined. Then, i-add na natin yung melted butter at ang egg. Pagkatapos, haluin lang natin ito hanggang sa maging well incorporated. Then, ibuhos na natin yung 1/3 cup ng water. After that, i-mix nyo lang ito gamit ng inyong mga kamay hanggang sa mag-form ito ng dough. I-transfer nyo lang yung dough natin sa isang flat surface para madali nyo itong mamasa. Pagkatapos nyo magmasa, gamit ng isang rolling pin, i-roll nyo lang yung dough ng about 1/2 inch thickness. After that, i-cut nyo lang yung dough gamit ang isang polvoron molder or cookie cutter. Then, i-place nyo lang yung mga nakat na dough sa isang baking sheet lined with parchment paper. And bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. By the way guys, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. So, eto na yung magiging itsura ng Puto Seko natin after baking. By the way guys, kung balak nyo itong ibenta, pwede kayong gumamit ng ganitong packaging. We hope that you enjoyed this video and please give us a thumbs up. You can also comment down below if you want to request recipes that we can feature on our next vlogs. Paki-share na rin ang video ito para everybody happy! Thank you so much for watching! Don't forget to subscribe! Bye guys! Till our next vlog!